Nah, I think I might replace you. I'm being honest.
You can't find nothing better than me.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Jump out on a nigga in broad day. Fuck the ski man. Take nigga, do what? Where my heat at? Deuce, 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 deuce. We just drunk a 10. Little bitch had a good shot.
Yo, y'all, what's good, bro? Nah, we about to go crazy tonight. Like, it's like, what? Goddamn, time is it? Almost 10 o'clock, bro. Yo, I'm about to be going over to Simone house, and we about to prank her. They about to be lit. We about to prank her. I'm finna be telling her I'm replacing her with another girl. So another girl gonna be my best friend type shit. Y'all get the drift though. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't hit that like, subscribe button, go ahead and hit those, bro. Like, for real. We grinding all year. I'm bringing consistent content to y'all, bro. I appreciate all the support y'all been giving me, bro. Like, whoever been following from day one all the way to now, bro. Every follow, every subscribe, every like count. So I just want y'all to remember that, though. Appreciate you. Let's get into it. Oh, snuggly, wangly. Where my tripod at?
I don't fucking know.
Sorry. You want to be a whore? Just say that.
I've been at work
You been sucking dick?
No, I've been at work since 5 a.m. I've been up since 5 a.m. It's currently 10:50. I'm drained from niggas. I'm drained from work.
We do not care.
I'm drained from toxic niggas. I'm drained from all niggas. Yeah, that's all I got.
Yeah.
Baby, we is on our healing stage right now.
We do not care.
Yeah, Simone's been getting tossed and turned.
I forgot the amount you said. It was over.
By
Tossed
like
and turned by who?
a couple niggas.
Nah, it's not a couple, bitch.
She's a bop stick, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And I just want to let y'all know that because I can't lie to y'all. My best friend's a bop stick. It's okay though. I want to talk to you about something though. Like on some real shit. Like dead ass. Your contract has expired.
Get the fuck out. You just blow it every goddamn time. Every goddamn time.
What did I do, bro?
Like, you make my patience go from here to here.
What?
Like, bitch.
Bro.
My shit go from here when you walk in, then it goes all the way fucking down to here within 10-15 minutes.
Bro, I'm keeping the fucking butt with you.
I'm gonna keep it a buck with fucking you. Keep fucking with me. And I'm gonna knock that goddamn hat off your head.
Alright? Nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like.
You see my fist is ready to fucking snap.
I didn't do nothing, bro. You be lying to me about fucking everything.
Like what?
You just lied, bro. You're her bitch. You're a liar.
Bitch, you emphasize the bitch word too hard.
Nah, I think I might replace you. I'm being honest.
You can't find nothing better than me.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
I've been dealing with your ass for like 6-7 years, right?
Is that in Bobby years or like?
Bitch, that's in human years, bitch. How long we been cool?
Yeah, that's fine. Can you tell them how old you are in Bop years, please?
Bitch, I'm Junior.
What?
I'm finna be 21 years old, guys, in April. Can I be a legal drink? I need them down with
Wait,
this
so
ass bitch.
when did you start messing with guys? When did you start messing with guys? Like
with a, like have a boyfriend?
Nah, fucking.
Like when I was like 17.
2 seconds later.
Damn, I can't stop counting. I count on like 10 hands already. I mean,
What?
nigga, she's fucked.
Bitch, okay. Javen. Javen.
Gotcha, bitch.
Quit fucking playing with me, okay? Cause bitch, if we're gonna talk about anybody getting around, bitch, you need to be looking at yourself, ho.
Score! This is our last time seeing each other.
Javen, please.
What? I'm asking, bro.
Oh, Javen. Oh my god.
I think it is, because your contract is expired unless you want to sign like a new one. You need to get a contract on stating that you're renewing your best friend lease for the year of 2024.
I don't need to do that.
But I'll write it. I'll try to write it in Bob terms for you if you want me to. No?
I don't need to sign a contract, bitch. I am the best friend.
Okay. Who said that?
I do.
That's nice. That's what I like right there. So I should call up my other best friend and tell her that.
Who's your other best friend?
Don't worry about all that. Michael Jordan. Alright.
Quit flashing.
Alright. Look. Chop her neck on her and go, yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, bet. So we best friends for L? Don't worry, bitch.
I'm gonna bring my goddamn teeth, you dumbass hoe.
I was gonna break it.
Motivation.
I'm going into the bodega. Alright, y'all, not like Fred, say goodbye to her because she'd never be on this channel again. And I'm replacing her. Just not my best friend anymore. W prank?
Me.
Nah, comment Teen Jabo down in the comments, bro.
Nah, comment, fuck this bitch ass nigga, he a bitch ass bitch, bop, 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 bop.
You can't even spell or type that, so I don't even know why you acting like that. She can spell bop, though. I can too. Say goodbye to people. Don't bop up my camera.
Hey guys, bye guys.
Okay, now say them bop terms. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god, you're gonna give yourself fucking brain damage if you keep hitting it like that. Dead ass.
Okay, I'm good. Okay, I'm good for him.
No, don't. I fucking hate you. That's why I'm replacing you. I'm really gonna replace you.
And I'm gonna really fuck you up. Say that shit one more time, and that's your fucking ass.
I'm gonna replace you.
He's gonna get kicked out, guys. That's what's gonna happen. He's gonna get kicked out.
When you're replaced.
Hmm?
When you're replaced.
You wanna replace what?
You.
Get out? That's not funny, is it? Fuck, nigga, get out. Door's over there. Get the fuck out. You fucking.
You dead ass?
Yep. That shit not funny now, is it? He making all them jokes. Get the fuck out. Bitch, get out. Get out.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Nope.
Alright.
I'm matter of fact, I'll open the door for you.
Nah. I don't want you bopping up my. No? Okay. I don't want you bopping up the
Exit left,
walkway.
bitch.
Alright.
Exit stays up.
Ow. 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 You just gonna bop up my pathway like that? Okay. I fucking hate bops.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Okay. Get the fuck out. You have been evicted.
good. Okay.
Yep. You've been here too long. Alright, see.
Fuck you, Bob. You're Bob. Bitch, I hope you get snatched up. Little skank. What the fuck is wrong with this bitch? Stupid bitch. How she gonna kick me out? Fucking Bob-tastic. Bob-tastical bitch. Alright, y'all. If y'all enjoyed that motherfucking video, goddamn, hit the like button. Roll to 10K. We're gonna get turned up, bro. We're gonna turn up this year. She really kicked me out of her house, bro. I was just playing. Fuck that bitch. But alright. Hit that like button if you want some more content with me and my best friend, bro. We're gonna run this shit up this year, bro. No cap.
I ain't too late on the run like I don't got in the state.